Good evening, San Diego. I'm Jonas Berglund, reporting with Sun News this evening. It has been an interesting turn of events for the country Japan, as disaster after disaster has nearly ruined the entire northern province of Japan, and the reactor core is under extreme pressure from outside forces. In other news, we now turn to media news, focusing on Facebook, the media empire, who's preparing to reveal their latest gadget, movie rentals. We now turn to Ricky Myers, who is now reporting further on that story.
First for Facebook, Hollywood Movie Studios Warner Brothers is testing a service that will offer select movies for purchase or rent through the public pages of these movies on the world's largest social networking website.
Facebook users who visit the official page of Batman: The Dark Knight can click a watch icon and pay 30 Facebook credits, the Palo Alto's company's virtual currency, or $3 to watch the movie. The movie is streamed through a Facebook application. The offering is only open to people in the United States. Renters have access to a movie for 48 hours and can replay it as many times as they like. Warner Brothers said it will add other movies in the coming months, but did not know which ones those would be. Ricky Myers, Sun News reporting.
Thank you, Ricky, for that riveting story. And thank you, San Diego, for tuning in to Sun News. We all hope that you have a pleasant evening.